Hello, and welcome to Science 101, Plants and Their Environment. My name is Tabitha Boyd, and I'm going to be your instructor for this online course. A little bit about me. I have a husband named Chris and 3 children, Hunter, Lizzie, and David. We also have 5 pet chickens and enjoy camping together as a family. In our online course, we are going to be studying plants, how they grow, how they reproduce, and also how they adapt to different environments and how they grow in different environments. Throughout our course, we are going to be using our Weebly page. That's where you're going to find the majority of our material at. You will access Weebly through our Moodle page. To help you navigate these pages, I'm going to show you through a screencastify.
Hello, and here is our Moodle page. On our Moodle page, you'll be able to find announcements, general discussions. The section that says Meet Your Teacher provides you with my email address, and that's how you'll best contact me. And then a little bit further down, you'll see our course information that gives you the link for our webpage. And then your discussions, submissions, and quizzes. When you click on the class web page right here, it'll immediately bring you to our Weebly page. On your Weebly page, you'll use your tabs over here to find the different parts. So we've got our course information page, and on there you'll find all the information, including our syllabus, the textbooks that you'll need to read, our course policies, and our Meet the Instructor page, where again you'll see my email address, which again is the best way to contact me. When you go to Module 1, you'll be able to see each of our topics, your selected readings, your to-do list, and each assignment that is going to be due. When you click on Topic 1, you'll be able to go in. As you see on each page, you'll have your heading, you'll have a quick summary of what you're learning, along with some videos to watch. And then towards the bottom, it'll tell you the books you need to read, which will be digital. And then it'll also have the link to the assignment that you are going to be completing. While you can download it from here, you'll also be able to download it and turn it in on Moodle. Always make sure that you have your submissions submitted before 11:59 p.m. on the last day of our module. If at any times you have any kind of questions, please remember you can always contact me. Again, here's my email address. Can't wait to get to know you guys more this semester and have fun learning about plants.